Hello and welcome to Garb Studio. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to remove people or any object of a photo using Adobe Photoshop. So, without further ado, let's get started. I've already added the image that requires object removal. Select the Object Selection tool from the toolbar. Set the selection mode to rectangle. Use the tool to create a selection around the subject you want to remove. Navigate to the Select menu, choose Modify, and select Expand. Specify the Expand selection value based on your preferences. This will determine how much of the surrounding area will be considered for content-aware filling. Go to the Edit menu, choose Content Aware Fill, and a dialog box will appear. Adjust the settings in the Content Aware Fill dialog box according to your preferences, ensuring that the selection covers the object you want to remove. Click OK to apply the content-aware fill and remove the selected object. Repeat the process for the unsteady areas. You can choose Object Selection tool and mode as lasso according to your edit. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative.